To move entity in SolidWorks, come to Sketch tab and we have the option here. So now we have to select entity to move and register it here. Options from to, that is from where to where. Then pick your starting point here. So to do that, let me draw my sketch and then click. So this is my sketch that I want to move. Click move entity. It has been registered, but let me just clear it. Let's say good. Okay. So this option from where to where. So the starting point, click. I'm going to define my starting point. Click and then you can then move your sketch around. It's not moving because we have a relationship. I think we have relationship at this middle. Okay, this coincidence relationship, that's what is stopping it from moving. So now let's move the sketch again. What do you want to move here? Then starting point, move. You can see it is moving because the relationship has stopped it. Now the sketch now have degree of freedom. It can be moved to any side on the screen. So if I want to drop it, I have to click again and drop. So that is the first click is the starting point from where and then you move to where. That's how to use a move entity in SolidWorks. So um, think that's all about move entity. And then that should be the end of this short tutorial.